We are back on track. Yes, guys, we are back on track. Yes, starting off the week pretty good, 13% gain on the day today. This is great. And after hours, still climbing almost 1%. This is good because I was expecting, and I mentioned that in my video last week, once the 30 million shares unload was completed by Wanda Group and they are now out, then we'll be back on track. And I wouldn't really expect this to close, on the lower end around $14. I mean, $15 for this week. But guys, I want to share something really interesting with you. As we are getting back on track, on the upside of the price target, guys, the shorts are losing a ton of money just for today. This, as a matter of fact, this was shared by Ortex, market data provider. All right, short interest update. As three of the most shorted stocks all have substantial price increases, the short sellers tend to lose almost 400 million today in just these three stocks. Just in AMC, GameStop, and Virgin Galactic. Okay, so this is how it is interesting. We are not even hitting $20 yet, just for AMC stock, and they are already losing 400 million a day. All right, so let's do simple math. Okay, let's do simple basic math. If they're losing $400 million a day, and AMC stock is trading at what? $13.68. Okay, once we reach $20, how much will they start losing per day? Okay, so I will do 20 times 400 millions. 123 divided by 13 and 68, and that will give us $584 million. Let's say 585. All right, $585 million. That is just on a single day. Okay, now let's imagine how much it will be for a whole week, because I don't assume AMC stock will increase from $13.68 to 20 on a single move. I mean, it can happen, okay, but let's just assume for the purpose of this exercise or example that it will take, I don't know, 14 days, okay, and that is way, pessimistic. All right, so multiplying these by 14 days, that is 2 weeks worth of trading sessions, okay, that puts us up to $8 billion. $8 billion loss on just 2 weeks time with AMC stock trading at $20. Now let's just imagine, okay, that AMC is now trading at what? Double that amount, $40, which with all the short squeeze and the short interest into AMC stock, it's very likely that we'll hit that price, right? So multiplying that by what? Twice, 16 billion, all right? So let's even assume we not hit 40, just remain at $20. $8 billion on a weekly basis. Guys, this is huge amount of money. I mean, I don't care if you're Citadel or Melvin Capital or Goldman Sachs or whoever out there is shorting AMC stock. $8 billion a week. It's too much money, man. It's too much money, and the squeeze hasn't really happened yet. We are still trading at $20. So when you do cover, because these $8 billion a week will definitely force you to get some types of margin call, then you will have no choice but cover. So we are getting closer, guys, okay? We are getting closer to this thing. I mean, if AMC stock gets on this track, which we were expecting it to be on this week, guys, maybe the true margin calls are going to get here even closer than what we expect, and we can definitely see this starting to go bananas. Talking about triple digits. Already know what to do, guys. Hold.